Yo, what is good people, Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video, and this time is of an unboxing and a quick impressions before we get to review them. It's the Honor pack, people. We have got the Honor Magic 4 Pro, and we've got the Honor Watch GS3 right here, and also the Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. So we've got them right here. We're gonna unbox them, quickly just give an impressions on them. We're gonna test these, man, and put them through their paces, no doubt. And again, shout out to the guys over at Honor for sending these over. Definitely, let's check these out. And we're gonna start with the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Woo! Okay, so this is what we have right here, Honor Magic 4 Pro. This is their latest flagship, and we've got a couple of stuff on there that pretty much says IMAX Enhanced DTX-X, lots of focus around the camera. We've got dual SIM, and we've got the Honor Magic 4 Pro. This is the 256 gig, 8 gigabytes of RAM in a cyan color. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's get straight in, and this should be a good unboxing because it's thicker. We should be getting some stuff in there. All right, let's get in, so we don't do too long with this unboxing. All right, so we have the phone here. Put that to the side quickly, see what else we get. Boom, got a booklet here, and it comes with an included case. As my guy's textbook would say, the condom case. Good stuff, love seeing cases. This feels like a pretty stacked unboxing experience, which is very rare nowadays. You've got the SIM ejector too. Obviously, we'll get to that. And the rated 100 watts. 100 watts Honor Supercharge, 100 watt. So it's USB-C to USB-A, USB-A being on the plug itself. But 100 watts, and apparently it's meant to be rated up to 100% charge in 30 minutes, and I believe the battery capacity is 4,600 milliamps, and you do get support for 100 watt wireless charging as well, which should be apparently rated for 50% charge in 15 minutes. Man, crazy. I don't have that here, but definitely interesting. So yep, USB-C to USB-A cable that comes included, slightly thicker for the high ampage, and it's obviously got the orange color coordination. Charger included in the box. Honestly, good stuff, Honor. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, we'll put this to the side quickly, and let's bring that into the center. All right, what do we have here? We do have the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Ooh, interesting. Right, wow. It's a glossy finish, and you know how I feel about glossy phones. Would have preferred a matte finish, but my goodness, check that circular camera module. Talk about a design identity to really just be in your face. Check that out. Wow. Oh, damn, that's a big one. That's a big one, that's a big one, that's a big one. Because what you've got here is a triple camera system mainly. So you've got a 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, a 64 megapixel periscope zoom, which should be the one that's there. And you've got a time of flight sensor with the flash as well. A front-facing cameras, the front-facing camera is 12 megapixels, but it's pill-shaped, meaning that you should have like a depth sensor there helping, but it's not an ultra wide, which I'm not entirely sure about. You've got a glossy finish on the cyan one, USB-C, and obviously you've got the ejector tray there, which we'll check out. And you've got the volume button, volume rocker, and the power button. Very, very interesting. Okay, let's see if it's got a bit of charge. You do have a pre-applied screen protector, which is good to see. All right, no charge, so we'll give it a bit of a charge after. Right. Okay, so we gave it a quick top up to about 30% so we can get into it and use it. This is pretty much the home screen of the Magic 4 Pro. I've changed it to the gestures, and we're just gonna go through some of the settings and just kind of look through and yeah, pretty much get a gauge of it. So home screen and wallpaper, setting style, got lock screen signature, standard drawer, which is definitely preferred. prefer a drawer so that we've got in alphabetical order. I love the vertical scroll, nice and smooth. Not seeing anything based on material used so far, especially when it comes to, you know, Android 12 and a theming around there. So interesting. This is obviously the Magic 6 OS. Brightness and display. So we've got that here. Dark mode, as you can see, we can switch, but you can leave it to auto switch. Brightness and an automatic, or you can turn off. You've got the color mode that you can change, vivid, which is obviously I like. Change how long the screen is on for, 10 minutes, which is what I've put on. Eye comfort, book mode, text and display size, bold font, video enhancer, which let's turn on. And we've got the frame rate booster. Interesting. Okay, so this is the MEMC, motion estimation, motion compensation feature, which we leave it turned off for now. Screen resolution is quite interesting because the screen resolution in its high mode is 2848 by 1312, which is very unusual. And then you can actually knock it down in terms of resolution to you know, low and standard, which is 2492 by 1148 and 2136 by 938. Very, very interesting. Or you can leave it on smart resolution, which will dynamically do that, which is what I love to see. But one thing I love is the high refresh rate options. You've got it in dynamic mode, which can, you know, balance the smoothness and battery life with the maximum refresh rate for 120 Hertz. But you can actually set it to high, medium at 90 Hertz, or 60. Like, I just wish more phones gave you this level of option in terms of being able to go in intermediary steps down, which is good. I'm gonna keep it in high. I've noticed that the refresh rate sometimes dips, but it might just be to my eyes. But this is really good that you've got the screen resolution in a dynamic mode with the refresh rate, and you can go from 120, 90 to 60 Hertz. Wish more phones were like that. Good work. Okay, so sounds and vibrations, notifications, biometrics. Let's do the fingerprint authentication. Add new fingerprint. First time doing it. Okay. Put it on. Haptic feedback is nice. I do like the haptic feedback. Haptic feedback. It's decent. The haptics are not bad. The haptics are decent. Good feeling. It feels tactile enough. Yeah, it feels workable. Edges. Okay, nice. So we won't set up facial recognition for now, but let's do a quick unlock. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Very, very fast, actually. Not bad. Very quick. I like that. So that's the biometric fingerprint unlock done. Obviously, we've got the battery here that we can enable reverse wireless charging, which it also supports. We'll come back out. And then we've got system updates, software update, backup and restore. We can go to About Phone, which gives you details on the products there with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, as stated. And then it is using Android 12. Haptic feedback is not bad at all. Using Android 12 right there, out of the box, which is good to see. So we're gonna unlock it and bring up the camera. Now, I went into the camera briefly, and there's a lot of like push for beauty mode. Like if you go into the selfie, beauty and bokeh, there's a lot of push to get you to use the beauty mode. And yeah, I'm turning that off. Obviously you've got the night mode, you've got the aperture mode. For products, you've got portrait mode, of course. And then you've got the ultra wide. So it kind of jumps to each camera sensor rather than a smooth transition. And video, same here. So if we go into settings, 4K 60 is the maximum you can do for the rear camera. And that one doesn't seem to be showing up on the ultra wide, but you do have the 5X and the 10X. And then, yeah, it goes up to the 10X, interesting. If we flip to the selfie, The 4K video only goes up to 30 frames a second, just to be aware. But again, this is just a single focal length. It's just a single focal length. And I'm definitely going to test the camera in a camera comparison, no doubt. And I'm gonna do the charging test, all my favorite type of stuff, and really put it through its paces. This is pretty much the screen, and I'm not sure about the pill shape personally. If it's not doing an ultra wide, it would have just been better to just put a single pill shape, a single hole punch rather than a pill shape. I'm not sure yet. I'll wait for like my first impressions and then obviously do my full review to really come up with that conclusion. But yeah, let's stick it in the case. Yeah, and this is the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Next up is the Honor Watch GS3. Very, very stylish looking watch. Can't wait to get into it. Oh, it's actually brand new seal, so we're gonna have to peel this off, and this is in the classic gold. It's in a gold color. Okay, void. All right, let's get this unboxed. Ooh, that is nice. That is very nice. Very nice. Okay. I like the look of this. This is really, really, really nice. Okay, very interesting. Okay, so we got the charging puck dock. And we've got the USB cable for it. And we've got the booklet. Not sure if there's anything else that comes with it. And that's it. Wow, okay. Put this to the side for a moment. Wow, this looks really nice. I like the colorway. I like the finish. Okay, USB-C to USB-A cable, of course, as standard. Put this to the side. And then strength this through. And we've got the puck here as well. So put this aside for now. And oakley doke. Wow, this really just does look and feel like a classic watch. Wow, this is really nice. This is really nice. I'm not much of a watch person, if I'm gonna be very honest with you, but let's just put this on. But this is definitely like a dress watch, no doubt. So you can probably see it there. Honor. Yeah, this is not bad. This is not bad. Let's see if it turns on. Not sure if there's any charge. Okay, might need a bit of charge. Let's put a bit of charge on it and then we will come back. Oh, actually, it looks like it's turning on. Got the Honor logo. All right, UK. Next. And then just pair to the device. I'll leave it here for now and I'll do a proper full impressions of it. But so far, this looks very, very, very nice. That's the Honor Watch GS3. Last but not the least is the Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. Yes, you know I cover a decent amount of earbuds on the channel. Definitely, definitely nice. You got crystal clear audio, adaptive active noise cancelling. Okay, and fast charging, interesting. These are pros and the mini ear pros. Active noise cancelling, ANC should be part of the game. I might actually test these on my flight. You know, I've got a flight soon, got a long one, and definitely would be interesting to see how the ANC behave. It's interesting because I've got a couple that I need to test their ANC. USB-C to A cable standard. You got the booklet that's in there as well as standard, and different ear tips as standard, which is good to see. Put the larger ones in most likely. Let's pop these out. Wow, I really love the fact that they're compact. Nice compact packaging. Nice matte finish, which is really nice. Okay, interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Oakley doke. Love the chrome. It's like a chrome kind of finish. Very interesting color finish. Yeah, it's like a chrome kind of finish. It's glossy, not matte. I'm gonna put these in. And these are stem-based designs as well, so hopefully you'll be able to see them. Good fit and comfort by the looks of it. If I look ahead, yeah, you can see them. Interesting. Eager to test these out. Very, very eager to test these out. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so that pretty much does it for the unboxing of all three. And yeah, the Honor Magic 4 Pro definitely will be the main focus device, so watch out for all the different comparisons and videos around it. Apologies if the video has been long, but hopefully you've enjoyed just seeing the Honor slew of products that's been sent through. Watch out for all the tests, the reviews, and also comparisons coming along with it. And yeah, that's been me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. Hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.